5 best work at home for introverts. Hello, the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So the first one we have here, promos. All you have to do is just go to Google Play and write promos, and this is the application. We have earn money on completing task surveys or taking photos. You have just to click over here and you install the application and start with it. So to make money on Promos.com, start by sign up as a contributor on their platform. Promos.com offers a variety of tasks often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photo, answering surveys, or providing other location based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money, as you typically receive payment. Open task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on their platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So that's it with Permos. Then we have here the second one, it's Fairfiction. So to make money on Fairfiction.com, you have just to start by sign up as a tester. So you click over log in and you sign up with it by writing your personal information, and that's it. So Perfection specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You'll complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings. Stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitation, and deliver durable, high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So let's move on to the next one. We have Survey Time. So surveytime.io. We have here the homepage. All you have to do is click over sign up with Google or Facebook or email also, and you write your personal information like this, email address, password, then you click over agree to the terms of, and then you start with it. Then to earn money on Survey Time, you have just to connect users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you receive notification about available surveys tailored off to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. A survey time offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed. Payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitation, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So if we scroll down, we have here how does survey time work. We have here sign up for survey time for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey complete, you get an instant money rewards. Then we have PaperTrue. So to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by sign up as a freelancer on the platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading service. So you click over log in, then you click over sign up, and then you write your personal information, and you get started with PaperTrue, and you are done with your inscription and your first step. Then once registered, you'll be able to take on editing assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high-quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. And here we have a various information like how it works: upload your document, editor selected, editing and proofreading, review by senior editor, quality check, and valid document. So let's move on to the next one. We have here Metro Opinion. So we have here metroopinion.com. We have here how it works, how to earn money with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. So sign up, answer, and get paid. Then we have here the first one, you choose your country, as you can see. So to make money on Metro Opinion, so you have to create an account on their platform, which offers paid surveys opportunities. After registration, you will receive invitation to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So that's it with Metro Opinion. Let's move on to the last one. It's Open. So the first step you have to do is sign up. As you can see, you click over get started and you your personal information, and then you get started with it. So to get started on Appen, all you have to do is have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine for evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours, so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So that's it for Appen, and that's it for these 5 jobs at home. So you can just get started with it and start earning money on internet using these 5 jobs or 5 websites. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.